everyone and welcome to Anime Art Academy. We're an online school dedicated to everyone who's serious about learning anime and manga style illustrations. We have many courses, tailored to suit all different levels. So from beginners to advanced learners, everyone is welcome. In the video lessons we offer on our courses, you'll learn everything from the basics of drawing to high-level pro techniques. Plus, our teachers are professional artists who are always on hand for you to share your artwork and questions. They'll give you intuitive feedback to guide your progress. With their valuable inside advice, you'll be leveling up your skills in no time. It's super easy to get started. First, choose a course you're interested in on our website. The lessons are divided into steps, so you can progress at your own pace. All you need is a pen and paper. Our video lessons come with clear example images and guidelines. In the premium courses, you can even download special files with examples of your teacher's work. Use these study packs to help you practice. And remember, once your work is complete, be sure to post it in the lessons comment section to get pro advice and feedback. Let's enjoy growing and improving as artists together. Of course, how much you interact with your teachers is up to you. Feel free to progress through the course using just the video lessons, if you prefer solo study. By the time you finish the course, your artwork will have improved dramatically, and your drawing skills and ability to express characters will have taken a huge step up. You'll find yourself excited to draw more and more. Plus, you'll find tons of fellow students over on Anime Art Academy's Discord channel. Share your work, chat about the courses, and have fun with our community. It's free for anyone to join, so be sure to stop by. Alright, it's time to start your new artistic adventure here at Anime Art Academy. We offer free preview lessons, so come over and give it a try. We can't wait to meet you and guide you on your anime art journey. See you at the Academy!